this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bar lace your Adidas Campus. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the tongue and put it down into the shoe. That's going to let us get to the eyelets more easily on either side. And we're going to start off by taking our lace down through the outside first hole, bringing the lace a little bit up into the shoe. You then take your lace across, flattening it out as much as possible as you bring the other end down through the inside first hole. And then to make sure that our laces are the same length as we work our way up the shoe, we're going to put the two ends of the laces together and we're going to pull up, and there you have your same length. So I'm just going to make sure that first bar is a little bit tighter and then we can start. So we start with the outside lace and we're going to bring it up on the outside through the third hole. And then as you take your lace and bring it across the shoe and take it down through the inside third hole, before you do that, just make sure that you twisted your lace around a little bit to get it nice and flat as it comes out the hole. And then flatten it out, take it down the third hole. And then you can take your inside lace and you're going to keep that on the same side, bringing it up through the second hole. And then that is going to make a bar as we go across the shoe, bring it down the outside second hole. Just going to make sure that that's coming out as nicely as it can out the hole by just flattening it out a little bit. And then we're going to keep that outside lace in our hand. We're going to miss out the next hole and come up through the fifth hole. And I'm going to take it across the shoe. And then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to come up in the next available hole on the inside. And then we're going to take that across to make a bar on it down through the outside fourth hole. I'm just going to check all my bars are in place the way I want them to. And just to explain why as well, that on the tongue here there's a little loop, and the reason why I've missed that out is because sometimes when you take your bar through the loop it drags the bar down a little bit, and so I've decided not to use it on this one because I want all my bars to be nice and flat across. So then when you get to this stage, you're going to take the outside lace and you're going to come up through the last hole. You're going to miss that hole and come up the last hole. I'm going to take the lace out just a little bit, which leaves you a loop. I'm just going to put that there. And then we take the inside lace and we're going to come up through the next hole, so the sixth hole on the inside. And again, twist it out so it comes out nice and flat. And then we're going to take it across to the outside sixth hole to make a bar. So again, I'm just going to check that they're all nice and flat. And then this one is going to come across the shoe and it's going to come out through the inside last hole. So I'm just going to take this out a little bit to match the lace on the other side. It's out a little bit too much, so I want them out about that much so they're the same. And then you've got two loops, and what you can do with those is put them underneath the tongue. So I'm going to bring the tongue back up. I'm going to hide those laces under there, and when you're wearing the shoe it's going to keep those laces in place. The nice thing about these laces as well, being so thick, is that they don't slide out of the hole. So there you have your bar laced Adidas Campus with a little bit of a loose look with the laces coming out. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.